Dirt Fishman here again, y'all. It was another video. I bought a case of Hot Wheels, the 2022D case. Well, let's see what we got in there. Maybe I have the Super Treasure Hunt, the Studebaker, I think it is, in the D one. Alrighty, let's get the looking in it. Let's see. See what we got. Oh. All right. Up first, we have the GT Scorcher. That's not a bad fancy casting there at all. Up next, we have the X-Jet. Pretty cool. Up next, we have the Nissan R390 GTI. That's actually ain't a bad casting at all there. Come and think about it. And we got another one. Up next is the Billy Goat, the STH Car. Kind of reminds me of a Firebird. Yep, and we got the Toon Twin Mill, the Treasure Hunt for the D case. How about that? And check this out. We got the Star Prize, USS Enterprise. For y'all's Star Trek people out there. That's pretty cool. Then we got the Ford Mustang E, which I don't know why they call it a Mustang. Looks like an SUV to me. But who knows? Then we got the custom '01 Acura. I like that paint on it, sparkly. That's nicely done. Then we have the wheelie chair for all the disabled people out there. How about that? Daredevil. Pretty cool. Then we have the Mazda RX-7. Another nice little casting there. Then we have the Subaru WRX STI. Another one was a sparkly paint job. That's a cool one there. Then we got the '69 Cobalt Vet. Yep. Then we got another Mazda RX-7. Then we got the classic TV series Batmobile. Check that one out. Then we got the '67 Ford GT40 MK4 with the Golf livery on it. I like that there. I like anything with the Golf livery. Nice casting. And we got the '69 Dodge Dart, the STH Car. Then we got the key chain coupe clip. Yep. Then we have the Rally Baja crawler. Almost look like a Z-Mac, but it's not though. Then we got the Fusion Buster, another fantasy casting. You have the Sweet Driver, the Cupcake Car. Then we have the Mercedes-Benz 500E in red. Then we have the Ford Bronco with the mud tires called the Mud Studs. Another cool casting. Then we got another Fusion Buster. Then we have the Mad Manga in the Hot Wheels livery. Actually, ain't a bad casting. Then we got a March It Go, Mock It Go. Another fantasy casting of the Speed Team. Then we got the custom Ford Bronco. Another cool casting with the mud tires on it. We have another Dodge Dart. And we have another GT40. And another Sweet Driver, the Cupcake one. Then we got the Barbie Dream Camper. We have the Count Muscular, which ain't a bad design. You see them ghost flames in there. It's pretty cool, the black. Then you got another Batmobile one. Another, I think, a DA Ventigor. Some kind of weird fantasy casting. Then we got another coupe clip. Then we got a Raisin Express in the chrome. Another recolor of that. Pretty cool. That's the first layer, so I don't think there's be no super in this one. I don't even have a Studebaker so far in this one. And that really sucks. Got the Hyperfin, another fantasy casting in the Daredevil series. Then we got See Me Rolling, and another recolor. We have the HW 450 motorcycle. That's pretty cool. Then we have the 20 Toyota Tacoma. That's a pretty hot item right now. Out west anyway it is. Then we got the Nissan Leaf. Pretty cool. For the green people. We have another Subaru. Pretty cool. Then you have the Rocket Box. Pretty cool little small car. Then you have the March It Go Again. Yeah. We got the Donut Drifter this time. Got the little dude in there driving it. Then we got the 59 Chevrolet Impala. Another nice car. We got the 56 Ford F100 panel wagon with the moon eyes. Pretty cool. We got another 59 Impala. Got another Barbie, the Dream Camper. You got the Donut Drifter. Check it out. Got another little Rocket Box. Yep. Got another 01 Custom Acura. Yep. And we got the Nissan Leaf again. Yep. Then we got the Mercedes-Benz again in the red. Another recolor. We got another Batmobile. We got another Count Muscler. Then we got a Ain't Fair. It's the bus. Got another 69 Corvette. Then we had the Bugatti in the yellow, the recolor. The other one was blue. Pretty cool. Got another custom Bronco. Yep. You got another Billy Goat. Got another Bugatti. You got a Toyota Land Cruiser 80 in the mud studs. Pretty cool. Then we have the old Dodge van, Hot Wheels Kart Company. You can see the go-kart in the back of it. Pretty cool. I got the Super of this one. That's pretty sweet. Then we got the Blade Raider. Then we got the 19 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss LT in the boiler delivery. Another nice truck. We got a Toto shell. We got the 2009 Ford F-150 with the Goodyear delivery on it. Pretty sweet old truck. Then we have the kit cart. Then we have the air up there. Pretty cool. And the Ford Bronco again, 21. Pretty cool. And the only Studebaker we had is the regular one. Boo! This case was a bust. Still got a lot of cool cars in there though. Tell me in the comments which one y'all liked out of these right here. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel and tell your friends. Dirt Fisherman out.